Demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Next point from the topic periodic classification of the elements. Student, we have studied about the merits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Then these are the demerits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. That means certain drawbacks which are present in the Mendeleev's periodic table. First demerit, the whole number atomic mass of the elements cobalt and nickel is the same. Therefore, was an ambiguity regarding their sequence in the Mendeleev's periodic table. तर विद्यार्थ्यांनो, कोबाल्ट आणि निकेल या दोघांचे ॲटॉमिक मास, होल नंबर ॲटॉमिक मास हा जवळपास सेम आहे. सेम असल्याकारणानं मेंडेलिव्हच्या पिरियॉडिक टेबलमध्ये देअर वॉज अन ॲम्बिग्विटी रिगार्डिंग इट्स अ सिक्वेन्स. तर मेंडेलिव्हने त्याच्या पिरियॉडिक टेबलमध्ये कोबाल्ट आणि निकेल जे दोन एलिमेंट्स आहे हॅव्हिंग सेम ॲटॉमिक मास, या दोघांचे ॲटॉमिक सेम असल्याकारणानं देर इज अन ॲम्बिग्विटी रिगार्डिंग देअर सिक्वेन्स इन मेंडेलिव्हज पिरियॉडिक टेबल. दिस इज द फर्स्ट डिमेरिट. त्यानंतर सेकंड, isotopes were discovered long time after Mendeleev put forth the periodic table. Isotopes have the same chemical properties but different atomic masses. A challenge was posed in placing them in Mendeleev's periodic table. Long time after the Mendeleev's periodic table, there were invention of the discovery of the isotopes. What are the isotopes? Isotopes are nothing but having the chemical properties. These are the compounds. Isotopes are nothing but the different forms of the elements which are present in nature, which are having same chemical properties but they different their atomic masses. That means these forms are having the different atomic masses but they show the same chemical properties. Then these forms are known as the isotope of any element. Now the Mendeleev, when put forth the periodic table, there were no any invention of the isotopes. When later on the isotopes were discovered long time after the Mendeleev's periodic table, then there was a challenge was posed in placing them in the Mendeleev's periodic table. There was a challenge posed in placing them the Mendeleev's periodic table. मेंडेलिव्हच्या पिरियॉडिक टेबलमध्ये या आयसोटोप्सला नेमकं स्थान कुठे द्यावं हे खूप मोठा चॅलेंज होता. बिकॉज देअर वॉज नो एनी व्हॅकंट प्लेस फॉर प्लेसिंग सच टाईप ऑफ द आयसोटोप्स इन मेंडेलिव्ह's periodic table. Then next, when the elements are arranged, third point, when elements are arranged in an increasing order of atomic masses, the rise in atomic mass does not appear to be uniform. It was not possible, therefore, to predict how many elements could be discovered between the two heavy elements. As we know that the Mendeleev arranged all the 63 elements in an increasing order of their atomic masses. But student, the rise in atomic mass does not appear to be uniform. ते युनिफॉर्म त्या ठिकाणी इन्क्रीजिंग ऑर्डर नव्हता. बऱ्याच वेळेस जे काही इन्क्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ ॲटॉमिक मासेसद्वारे एलिमेंट्सला अरेंज केलेलं होतं त्या ॲटॉमिक मासेसमध्ये बराचसा गॅप दिसून आला. त्यामुळे इट वॉज नॉट पॉसिबल, त्यामुळे हे सांगता येणं शक्य नव्हतं. इट वॉज नॉट पॉसिबल टू प्रेडिक्ट हाऊ मेनी एलिमेंट्स कुड बी डिस्कवर्ड बिटवीन द टू हेवी एलिमेंट्स. दॅट मीन्स हाऊ मेनी एलिमेंट्स, किती एलिमेंट्स त्या दोन हेवी एलिमेंट्सच्या मध्ये डिस्कवर होणार याची पॉसिबिलिटी हे सांगणं शक्य नव्हतं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, सी हिअर द Mendeleev's periodic table. If you look here, the cobalt and nickel, the first demerit, cobalt and nickel are having same atomic mass. They are placed in same group. As well as the heavy elements. Suppose this is this tin, antimony and tellurium. These are the heavy elements, that means having the heavy atomic mass. There is not uniform increasing order of the atomic mass. टीनचं ॲटॉमिक मास 118 आहे, अँटमिनीचं 122 अँड टेलिरियमचं 125. सो दॅट देअर इज नो एनी प्रेडिक्शन. दॅट मीन्स हाऊ कॅन वी प्रेडिक्ट दॅट हाऊ मेनी एलिमेंट्स कुड बी डिस्कवर्ड इन बिटवीन दिस टू एलिमेंट्स और अमॉंग दिस एलिमेंट्स. त्यामुळे या टीन किंवा अँटीमनी आणि टेलिरियमच्या मध्ये किती एलिमेंट्स डिस्कवर होतील याची काही प्रेडिक्शन करता येणं अशक्य होतं. देन नेक्स्ट ड्रॉबॅक, पोजिशन ऑफ द हायड्रोजन. Position of hydrogen. Hydrogen shows similarity with halogen group. Hydrogen show similarities. Hydrogen shows similarities with the halogen group. For example, the molecular formula of the hydrogen is H2, while the molecular formulae of the fluorine and chlorine are F2 and Cl2. So student, we know that the halogen group. What are the halogen groups? What are halogens? या हॅलोजन्स ग्रुपमध्ये जो 17th नंबरचा जो ग्रुप आहे त्याला आपण हॅलोजन्स ग्रुप म्हणतो. देन हॅलोजन ग्रुपमध्ये जे एलिमेंट्स येतात, द क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन आर ऑल comes under the 17th group, that means halogen group. All these elements belongs to the halogen group. Now the molecular formula, halogens चा molecular formula जर बघितला आपण तर chlorine molecular formula Cl2, fluorine molecular formula F2. Just like these halogens, hydrogen also shows same molecular formula, that means H2. The hydrogen having same molecular formula just like the halogens. Then second, in the same way, there is a similarity in the chemical properties of the hydrogen and alkali metals group. First, there is a similarity in the molecular formulae of the compounds of the hydrogen alkali metals, sodium, potassium, etc. formed with the chlorine and oxygen. But student, as hydrogen shows similarities with the halogens, that means elements of the 17th group elements, but this hydrogen also shows similarities with the first group elements. First group elements सोबत तो similarities दाखवतो, which are the alkali metals. These group first elements are the alkali metals. That means the compound of hydrogen, see here table. If the sodium, this is the alkali metal of the first group. Sodium when combines with the chlorine, it produces sodium chloride. When it combines with oxygen, produces sodium oxide, just like sodium sulfide when it combines with sulfur. Similarly, alkali metals, hydrogen also shows same chemical properties. That means just like sodium chloride, hydrogen also combines with chlorine, produces hydrogen chloride, then water and hydrogen sulfide. That means the hydrogen also shows the similarities with the compounds of the first group elements. फर्स्ट ग्रुप एलिमेंट सारखे सुद्धा सिमिलॅरिटीज तो कंपाऊंड फॉर्मेशन मध्ये हायड्रोजन दाखवत होता. ऑन considering the above properties, it cannot be decided whether the correct position of the hydrogen is in the group of alkali metals group first or in the group of halogens. So that from the above discussion, that means the hydrogen shows similarities with the first group alkali metals, as well as it also shows the similarities with the 17th group halogens, so that there is how the correct position of the hydrogen is in the group of alkali metals or in the group of halogen, it cannot be decided. त्याच्यामुळे या हायड्रोजनला फर्स्ट ग्रुपमध्ये पोझिशन द्यावं का 17th ग्रुपमध्ये पोझिशन द्यावं हे करेक्ट डिसाईड करता येत नव्हते. सी हिअर टेबल, मेंडल्स पिरियडिक टेबल. द मेंडल गिव्स position of hydrogen in the first group, but actually hydrogen shows the similarity with the 17th group element, that means halogen. So it could not be predicted that the hydrogen जे करेक्ट पोझिशन आहे हायड्रोजनची ग्रुप फर्स्टमध्ये ठेवावी का ग्रुप 17th मध्ये ठेवावी. सो दिस इज द लास्ट डिमेरिट ऑफ द Mendeleev's periodic table. So student, we have studied about the Mendeleev's periodic table, merits of the Mendeleev's periodic table and demerits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. See all the videos carefully, share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.